What happens when you consume 2 eggs daily? Eggs are often considered nature's multivitamin, packed with nutrients essential for our health. But what really happens to your body if you make eggs a daily habit? Before we dive in, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We're on our way to 500 subscribers, and your support helps us bring you more valuable content. Eggs are like little power-packed superheroes for your body. They might look small, but they carry a whole bunch of important nutrients inside. Think of an egg as a tiny treasure chest full of good stuff that helps you grow strong, stay healthy, and feel great every day. When you eat 2 eggs every day, it's almost like giving your body a big high five. You're helping your muscles, brain, eyes, and even your heart stay in tip-top shape. That's why eggs are so special. They've been around for thousands of years, and people all over the world have been eating them for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Even ancient civilizations knew how great eggs were. But here's the thing. Nobody really talks about how eggs can do so much for us. It's like we've forgotten that eggs are not just for making cakes or breakfast sandwiches. They're an everyday food that can make you healthier with every bite. 1. Protein powerhouse. Now let's get into the really good stuff. Protein is one of the most important things our bodies need to grow and stay strong. When you eat eggs, you're giving your body top-quality protein. Just imagine your muscles doing a little happy dance every time you eat an egg because they're getting what they need to stay healthy. 2 eggs a day give you around 12 grams of protein, which is like fuel for your muscles. It helps them grow, repair, and stay strong. Whether you're running around, playing sports, or even just sitting, your muscles are always working, and protein helps them stay ready for action. And guess what? Protein also helps you feel full and satisfied, so you won't feel hungry right after eating. Isn't that amazing? 2. Eggs are full of vitamins and minerals. Eggs aren't just about protein. They're also filled with vitamins and minerals that help your body in lots of different ways. Think of vitamins as tiny helpers that go around your body, making sure everything is working the way it should. For example, vitamin D helps your bones stay strong, and it also keeps your immune system, which fights off germs, working well. Vitamin B12 gives you energy so you can run, jump, and play all day. And selenium is like a little shield that protects your cells from getting damaged. With 2 eggs a day, you're giving your body all these great helpers to make sure you're strong and healthy. Moreover, the B vitamins in eggs also play a critical role in energy production and brain function. They help your body convert food into fuel, ensuring you have the energy to tackle your day. So, by enjoying 2 eggs daily, you're not just getting a protein boost. You're also supporting your metabolism and cognitive health. 3. Eggs and heart health. Are they good or bad? You might have heard some people say that eggs aren't good for your heart. But here's the truth. For most people, eggs are actually good for your heart. That's because eggs help raise the good kind of cholesterol in your body, called HDL. This helps your heart stay healthy. Of course, if you have special health problems like high cholesterol, it's always a good idea to talk to a doctor. But for most people, eating 2 eggs a day is a heart-friendly choice. Recent studies all suggest that moderate egg consumption does not significantly increase the risk of heart disease for healthy individuals. In fact, the nutrients found in eggs, such as omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, can contribute to better heart health. So, incorporating eggs into your diet could be a delicious way to support your cardiovascular system. 4. Eggs help your brain stay sharp. Did you know that eggs have a special nutrient called choline? It's something that's super important for your brain. Choline helps your brain remember things, focus, and stay sharp. It's almost like eating eggs gives your brain a little boost every day. This is especially important for kids who are learning new things every day, and for adults who need their brains to stay sharp at work or school. In addition to choline, the antioxidants present in eggs, like lutein and zeaxanthin, may also contribute to cognitive health. These nutrients are believed to protect brain cells from oxidative stress and promote better communication between them. So, by enjoying 2 eggs daily, you're not just feeding your body, you're nourishing your mind as well. Better eyes, thanks to eggs. Eggs are also amazing for your eyes. Inside an egg are 2 important nutrients called lutein and zeaxanthin. These are like sunglasses for your eyes. They protect your eyes from harmful light and help you see better. Over time, these nutrients can protect you from eye problems like macular degeneration and cataracts. Eating 2 eggs a day is like giving your eyes a helping hand to stay healthy for many years to come. Moreover, the fat in eggs helps with the absorption of these antioxidants. So not only do eggs provide the essential nutrients, but the way they're packed also ensures that your body can use them effectively. This combination makes eggs a fantastic food choice for maintaining long-term eye health. 6. Beautiful skin and hair. Want your skin and hair to look amazing? Eggs can help with that too. Eggs are packed with biotin, which is a nutrient that helps your skin, hair, and nails grow strong and healthy. If you eat 2 eggs every day, you'll notice that your hair might look shinier and your skin might feel smoother. Additionally, the amino acids in eggs can promote collagen production, which is essential for maintaining skin elasticity and reducing the signs of aging. So, when you incorporate eggs into your daily routine, you're not just enjoying a tasty meal, you're also treating your skin and hair to some serious nourishment. Eggs keep you feeling full and help you stay in shape. If you ever feel hungry all the time or have trouble keeping a healthy weight, eggs are a great food to add to your diet. They are low in calories but high in protein, which means they keep you full without making you eat too many calories. When you eat 2 eggs for breakfast, you're giving your body lots of energy and nutrients that will help you feel full until your next meal. Eating eggs also helps regulate your appetite throughout the day, reducing the chances of snacking on less healthy foods. The combination of high protein and healthy fats in eggs keeps you satisfied for longer periods. This can be a valuable tool for those who are looking to manage their weight without feeling deprived. 8. Helps your muscles recover after exercise. Do you know what else is cool? If you like playing sports or exercising, eating eggs can help your muscles recover faster. The protein and special nutrients in eggs help repair your muscles after you've used them a lot, so you can keep playing and having fun without getting too sore. In fact, eggs provide an ideal mix of essential amino acids, which are the building blocks your muscles need to repair and grow. After a tough workout or an active day, consuming eggs can help you bounce back quicker and feel less fatigued the next day. It's like giving your muscles the fuel they need to recover faster. Now that you know how amazing eggs are, why not start including them in your daily meals? Eating 2 eggs a day can help you feel stronger, smarter, and healthier. Just remember, like with everything, it's important to balance them with other healthy foods like vegetables and fruits. Incorporating eggs into your diet is a simple yet effective way to boost your overall health. Whether you enjoy them for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, eggs offer an impressive array of nutritional benefits that can enhance your well-being. Plus, they're budget-friendly and easy to prepare, making them a fantastic addition to any meal plan. Consider trying different cooking methods and recipes to keep your meals exciting. You might find that you love a spicy egg curry or a light egg salad that you can enjoy for lunch. And if you're looking to make healthier choices, remember that eggs can easily be included in various diets, whether you're aiming for weight loss, muscle gain, or simply trying to eat better. Eggs are not just a simple breakfast item. They're a nutritional powerhouse that can play a significant role in your health journey. With their ability to support muscle growth, enhance brain function, improve heart health, and keep your skin glowing, the benefits of consuming 2 eggs daily are hard to ignore. So make eggs a regular part of your diet and enjoy the numerous benefits they bring. You'll be taking a step towards a healthier lifestyle, one delicious egg at a time. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on nutrition and health tips.